it's you again. I just left the salon and your girl just got a fresh blowout, you know, so I am press. Niecy don't need no press. Oh, yes, stay tuned so I can give you the details on this fresh blowout. What? Girl, what she say? Ooh, catch, just, ooh, not my edges. She didn't get my edges, but ooh, watch me whip and watch me nay. Watch me whip. Watch me, nay.
Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding the kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, your girl is feeling spectacular. Pretty Ricky style. Yes, y'all. I'm letting y'all know off top. I love this wig. I love this wig so much. I haven't been this excited about a wig in a very long time. So, the girl is hot. Today's video is brought to you by Samsbeauty. Thank you guys so much for paying for me to get this blowout. I mean, sending me this unit to review. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. Okay, yo, do y'all see me? I mean, do y'all see me? The wig is speaking for itself, honey. Yes, and it's just like honey. All right, let's jump right into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. How many of y'all sing my little tunes with me? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. If you haven't noticed, I love to sing, I love to laugh, I love to have a good time, and that's just what my channel's about. You know, I had a comment the other day, somebody said, oh my God, why do you sing so much? Girl, because I can sing. Hello? Will y'all tell her that I am Shamari J. Blige, Shanita Baker, Shajodeci, Shajo? Okay, do I need to go on? I don't discriminate. I'm Sha Backstreet Boys. Like, I'm everybody. All right? I'm Sha 3-6 Mafia. I'm Sha OJ the Juice Man. Okay? Quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick. Ay. All right? Today's wig is by HARLEM125. I've never tried this brand ever before in my wig wearing career. This is their 4x4 full lace with a silk base. They said this wig is soft, elaborate, and natural. Ooh, that just felt so welcoming and warming. This wig is also heat resistant, safe up to 400 degrees. I have it in the style FLS08 and the color number 1. I told y'all, sometimes stock cars be catfishing us. My wig don't look like that. It don't. Don't be fooled by these stock cars, y'all. Because sometimes they don't be doing these wigs justice. I mean, look at this and look at me. Okay? I think I got a whole blowout. So, we can finesse these wigs, baby. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Y'all know how I do. I'm going to go ahead and drop them cons on you first. And trust me when I say, it's It's not a whole lot, y'all. I love everything about this wig. The first con is the wig is not big head friendly at all. Y'all, my head size is a 22, and this wig is so small. Like, small, small, small. I haven't worn my wig grip in a long, long time. I had to brush the dust off of it today. What? Because I was feeling like a pimp. If you feeling like a pimp, man, go and dust your shoulders off. The next con I would have to say is the parting space is really, really small. It's a 4x4. And no, that is not small, and it doesn't make me hate the wig. But y'all, I was trying to serve looks with a shebangy bang bang. But I couldn't do it. I was able to do a left part, but since the parting space is so small, it was like the left part was off here. So to me, it just make your part look off-centered. Like it doesn't really look like a left part unless you turn the wig. And I wasn't trying to shift it because I wanted the hair to be even. So you don't get a whole lot of parting space to work with, but it is doable. And you can still serve straight scalp with the little bit of parting space that you do have. I know that this parting space is looking really, really natural, but I did have to go in and pluck a few hairs at the parting space because the hairline is not pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck out a few hairs in the front of the parting space, and I used some of my bedhead freeze spray to hold it in place so the wig don't move just like that. Get it? Just to let you guys know that this hair does shed just a teeny bit. Now, I don't know if it's from me plucking the wig or cutting the lace off because now I'm not receiving no shedding at all. I was receiving quite a few hairs when I ran my hands through it, but now I'm not receiving anything. Anything at all. You can have anything I got. And y'all gotta stop gassing me up in the comments talking about I love when you sing. That's gonna make me sing more, okay? More and more. Like Joe, who know that song? All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into the pros of this wig. The first pro off top is the hair texture and the density, okay? The hair texture is thebomb.com. As y'all can see, I'm just talking to y'all and moving my neck purposely, and it's just flowing. Like, it's going with the AC because I'm not in the wind. My AC is blowing and it's just flowing, okay? Check me out. Wipe me down. Yes, and the density is perfect for all seasons, y'all. I'm in Kansas and I've already been outside with this wig on. It is 78 degrees today and my neck won't hot. I won't sweating. Y'all, I still look flawless and popping if I do say so myself. I feel like this is a perfect wig all year round. Like, you got great hair, great density, natural parting space. Like, what more could you ask for? I would say that this wig is a very beginner friendly wig. You do not have to do what I do. You don't have to go in and pluck a few little bit of hairs. But when I tell y'all it was so minor, it was really, really minor. Not only is this wig beginner friendly, but it is very, very affordable. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all. Drop a comment down below if you have ever tried this wig before. I know it is an oldie but goodie. But once I seen the stock card and that shebangy bang bang, I said, ooh, I know I can finesse that wig. Also, if you have some other wigs that you have tried with the HARLEM125 line, please list it down below and I would like to try it because this hair is everything. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.